Hello, how you guys doing today? Alright, so we're going to show you how to add a playlist.com player to your profile today. So first thing we got to do is log into the site. So let me do that real quick. Logging in. And now I'm at my dashboard page, which is basically my back end. So we're going to go to my profile. And once you're on your profile page, you can come over here to click to add a new widget. Click on that. Scroll down till you see the playlist. You'll see it just added that right there, so we can close this. Now, if you're new to playlist.com, you don't have an account yet, you can go to playlist.com and create an account. Made that easy for you. You put the link right here, so you just click that and you go to playlist.com. Now, I already have an account, so I'm already logged in, but if you don't have one, you can create an account, and then once you create an account, you'll be able to make a playlist. So once you get to this part after creating it, you can search for any artist you want. So let's pick somebody. Pink. Boom. Alright, so it'll give you a big list of all these songs, and you see there's multiple pages. So you can select what you want. Your playlist will always stay on the right side of the screen with you, so you can always see what you have. And if you see something you like, you just click on the plus button, which I'm not going to do because I don't really care for Pink, and it'll add it to your playlist. Once you have songs added in there, you can click the pencil button and you can arrange the order of how you want your songs to play. If you want to make another playlist, you can. You can make multiple playlists. You don't have to have everything in just one, but each playlist can hold up to, I think it's like 99 songs, so you're good. So once you do that, then we'll go over here to post my playlist. And once you're in post my playlist, you go down to option E, get the code for whatever, and you'll click on your playlist. And in here you'll have some options if you want it to auto start, shuffle, custom skin, or in a color. So I'm just going to leave that default. Click get code. So here is the playlist.com player code. Now we don't need all of this, so we're going to look back over here and we'll click edit. So here's what we need. You need your flash vars value and your player ID. Down here I have some instructions that tells you what to look for. So for the flash vars value, we're looking for the config, HTTP, all the way down to the first OS. So I'm going to show you where to find that. So we'll go back to playlist.com, and when you're in here, but right about the middle of the box, you'll see it says flash vars. So we don't need that, we don't need the value. We'll go from inside of the first quotation mark right here at the config, and we'll copy that down to the first OS. Everything inside those two quotation marks. So we'll take that, we'll copy it. So right click, copy. Go back to the profile. First box, right click, paste. Bam. So now we need our player ID. So here it tells you what to look for your player ID. It's just a link with this number. So that number right there is your player ID. Well, that's my player ID, so I'm going to show you where to get it. So you come back here, you scroll all the way down to the bottom, and it's right here. It's the third line from the bottom, and there's the number. So you can copy that, go back there, and paste it in. Alright, so now you're pretty much set up. Next option is player width, and this is basically just positioning for the page. We have 3 columns. Each column is a different size. So depending on where you want to put your player, you'll select right, middle, or left, and it'll make the player that size. So once you select that, you hit save, and it'll load, and there's the player. And it works. Now if you want to put it in any of the other columns, you just put your mouse right on the top bar where it says playlist. You'll see you get this plus sign looking thing, and you'll just grab it and drag it to where you want it. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial and have fun on the site.